ordered this stuff last Wednesday. It showed up the next Wednesday, and I'm just now getting to it. It's Friday. It's after work. So they've had about the same timeline as every other time I've ordered from them. They usually takes about a week, maybe a couple days more than a week. But it's usually on the orders that I get when I order thread with it. They sell the Ritz Tiger thread. I like the stuff. It's good stuff, so I get it. If you order 5, you get one free. I don't always order 5 to get my free one, but they do a good job making sure it doesn't get hurt, because that's it. And then the packing slip. They definitely did it differently this time than normal. Usually the threads are inside of the baggie, and they did a good job on the rope stuff, or on the sorry, little roll. From what I gather, they have the Ritz Tiger thread on big spools, and then they spin them onto these wood spools once you order them. But since these were loose in the box, you can see there's like some debris from the cardboard and the paper and the leather stuck into the wax. It's not so cool, but I've got a ton of them from them. I think I've got about 15 rolls now, and that's the first time they've ever done it like that. So these are space gray, and this is supposed to be dark brown. It looks more, I guess it could be dark brown. Maybe I need to put it up against another brown, but it's pretty close. These are space gray. You'll see why I got these colors in a second. Leather I did a show a few weekends ago. My first show. Tried something new, you know. And out of all the stuff I had on the table, the only thing that sold was this one color and type of leather that I had, that I can't even pronounce what it's said. I think it's Badalassi Carlo. I don't know. I'm sure somebody will let me know now. It was in the steel gray. It was the only one they liked. And then, so I ordered myself, they sent me a bigger piece than I think I ordered. I thought I only ordered a 12 by 12 score. So this is their dark brown. It's pretty good stuff. I like it. I'm gonna make some card wallets out of this or something. I had this guy down. Should be at a 4 ounce. Nope, this was left alone. No, I thought it was. I must have forgot to click a button. This is stacked down. You can see it down to 4 ounce. Nope. Let me correct myself. Yep, 4 ounce. I'm correcting myself twice. And this is their gray. Now, to me, it looks a little greener. Everybody else I ask says it's pretty gray. But it's supposed to be a like a steel gray. I like it. This sold a ton. Every single piece I had made of this stuff sold, and that was it. Wasn't very prepared for that show. I will be the next time though. But it's pretty good. I like it. They did a good job of making sure this is the size that it was supposed to be. There's a little bit of a problem with the spot that they messed up on right there. There's a little, I don't know if you can see that right there. There's a little spot right there. So if you needed this straight line, you wouldn't be able to use it. You'd have to cut it back, cut it down a little bit. But it's still usable. Yeah. That's the unboxing for this. I'm going to turn these into some card wallets and something. I was thinking about making a sunglasses case out of this. It's really nice. I like it.